Water Sails, Cat Island. Woo! This is my 4th season now coming back to Hawks Nest Marina in Cat Island, Bahamas, and it never gets old. I absolutely love coming back here, and whether you love being on the water or in the water, this place has so much to offer. And the fishing is just fantastic, and we've been here for 5 days now. We got in some really good fishing, plenty of mahi, some really good bill fishing, and the season's only beginning. So here's some of the action. Check it out.
Oh, Cat Island, sweet Cat Island. Oh, Cat Island, Lord, I can't wait to come back home. I'm gonna walk on the beach when I get home. Go climb the highest peak when I get home. Gotta get some concrete when I get home. Yeah. And I was born in Nassau, grew up Cat Island. I know about getting far, but I know about having fun. Grab my hand and get my hook. I gotta get some fish to cook. Boiled fish with Johnny cake. Man, you can't get enough. Oh, Cat Island, sweet Cat Island. Oh, Cat Island, Lord, I can't wait to come back home. I'm gonna walk on the beach when I get home. Go climb the highest peak when I get home. Gotta get some concrete when I get home. Yeah. I'm gonna get my knots on one. Bring on the cats. Show her how the cat does dance the right. Beating on that ghost skin drum, breaking the saw. Because when you hear the song of the ring and the script, gotta get down on the floor, Lord. Oh, Cat Island, sweet Cat Island. Oh, Cat Island, Lord, I can't wait to come back home. I'm gonna walk on the beach when I get home. Go climb the highest peak when I get home. Gotta get some concrete when I get home. Yeah. Now some gin and coconut water, but boy can handle that. Make the girls look extra sweet and make you crawl in your back. Everyone having fun, ain't nothing wrong with that. But when the morning come, my head, my knee, my shoulder, my back. Oh, Cat Island, sweet Cat Island. Oh, Cat Island, Lord, I can't wait to come back home. I'm gonna walk on the beach when I get home. Go climb the highest peak when I get home. Gotta get some concrete when I get home. Yeah. Now people coming from everywhere. Sky Bahamas, better get prepared. Freaking sweet, it's gonna get hot. Out of town, it's gonna be its spot. People coming from everywhere. Sky Bahamas, better get prepared. It's freaking sweet, it's gonna get hot. Out of town, it's gonna be its spot. Oh, Cat Island, sweet Cat Island. Oh, Cat Island, Lord, I can't wait to come back home. I'm gonna walk on the beach when I get home. Go climb the highest peak when I get home. Gotta get some concrete when I get home. Yeah. Oh, Cat Island, sweet Cat Island. Oh, Cat Island, Lord, I can't wait to come back home. I'm gonna walk on the beach when I get home. Go climb the highest peak when I get home. Gotta get some concrete when I get home. Yeah. Oh, Cat Island, sweet Cat Island. Oh, Cat Island, Lord, I can't wait to come back home. I'm gonna walk on the beach when I get home. Go climb the highest peak when I get home.
That's good living. Way to have that day, bud.